Battling deadlines? Drowning in coursework? What if the secret to organized success was already in your pocket and completely free? Today, I'm sharing the best free productivity apps for students. These tools will help you turn chaos into control and finally get your sanity back. Section 1, the all-in-one organizer. First, let's conquer disorganization. Instead of scattered notes and deadlines, you need a command center. That's Notion. It's an all-in-one workspace for your notes, tasks, and calendars. You can build a dashboard for each class, track assignments with its database features, and see all your due dates in one place. Students with a school email get the Plus plan for free with unlimited uploads. Notion syncs across web, desktop, and mobile, so your academic life is always organized. Section 2, the Focus Booster. Once you're organized, you need to focus. How do you stop your phone from derailing your study sessions? You need Forest, an app that gamifies focus. When you want to study, you plan a virtual tree. As long as you stay in the app and on task, the tree grows. If you leave to check social media, the tree withers. This simple trick provides a powerful visual reason to avoid distractions. Each successful session helps you build a digital forest, showing you a cool record of your hard work and helping you build better study habits. Section 3, the memory machine. Next, how do you make information actually stick for exams? Simple rereading is inefficient. The key is active recall, and for that, there's Anki. It's a powerful free flashcard app using spaced repetition. A smart algorithm tracks how well you know each card, showing you difficult ones more frequently. This makes memorizing facts, vocabulary, or complex formulas incredibly efficient. You can make your own decks or download pre-made ones from other students. It's a game changer for any class heavy on memorization. Section 4, the Group Project Guru. Finally, let's solve the group project nightmare. Forget endless email chains and lost files. Trello is a visual tool that makes collaboration simple and clear. It uses boards, lists, and cards to track your project's workflow, like to do, in progress, and done. Each task gets a card where you can assign members, set due dates, and attach files. Everyone can see the project status at a glance, which eliminates confusion about who is doing what. It makes group work far less stressful. So that's it. 4 free apps to conquer disorganization, distraction, and group projects. These tools can put you in control of your academic life. Other great apps like OneNote and Todoist also exist, but the key is finding the right system for you. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to productivity apps? Drop them in the comments below. Remember, being a successful student isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.